My people, this is not TFC TV News, and my name is Omo Alukia Jakaye. I know for TFC TV News, we bring you story from every corner of the country to make sure say we give you a bonga information and to make sure say Nigeria still dey better. Right now, we stand up for Akpakpava Junction for inside Benin City. And you can remember say on Friday, they do wetin be PVC concert for inside Ring Road. And that PVC concert, na to help register people whenever register, and cause this sama them ogbonge information about the importance of PVC. And as we dey waka down on Friday, we can see some sections of electrical stores dey locked, especially the ones for Igbesama, Akpakpava. And we go carry waka come here today to find out why they dey locked. For here, we'll talk to the chairman, we'll talk to the vice chairman, we'll talk to most of these electronic dealers to find out why they dey locked. Mona, join us.
Yes, that day my union agreed to shut down for everybody to go and get his PVC, which they got my consent. And that particular day, every shop was totally shut down. Our task force on ground to see that they comply. The reason why we shut down is to collect PVC, because we knew that a lot of our members don't have PVC cards. And every time we are saying things are difficult. We are saying the governments are not functioning well. Insecurity everywhere. Price of things hack up. We are looking at it, what is the matter? We discovered that a lot of us never cares to vote during any election. They will go inside their houses and they are the first people to complain. This time we want to change that pattern. We needed everybody to come out anytime they want to do election, so that everybody will vote to his or her own choice. But the report reaching me during that exercise that the materials the INEC brought is insufficient. There are a lot of people came back without registration. Then we are pleading to government to help us to tell INEC to extend this registration of voters card, so that those ones who didn't succeed that very day will have the opportunity to go and register. This voters card is our power now. We don't have gun. We don't have talks. What we need is to have a voter's card to do the change. Our union is not political inclined. We are partyless. Like in any time of election, they may come to us, each party, to come and tell us what they will do for us or not. Then those of us who they convince, we vote for that particular party. We don't have any party at hand. But what we need this time around, we don't need old people to rule this country anymore. So let them think wisely and see that their vote will go for right person, so that this country will be good. Nigeria is a very good country. We have everything you can think of. It's only the management is the cause.
The reason why we shut down on the 24th of June 2022 in respect of the PVC registration. We had our last general meeting 4 days ago. We had everybody to shut down to sensitize every electrical entities, the members, to go and get their PVC, because for the past regimes, especially for the past 8 years, we have experienced, especially the people of electrical has experienced serious hardship, serious insecurities. We now look at it that the country is no longer safe for each and every one of us, especially for a lot of us that are bringing goods from Lagos and all other states. Sometimes our goods has been hijacked. Unknown people, we don't know who they are. Now look at it that since we're in a country that we're no longer safe, I think this is an opportunity for us to get our PVC, and they make a change of government. That is why we ask everybody that it's a must that we must get our PVC. On that very day, we go and they do our franchise to vote our candidates. Because we need a change this time. This is not the time for bread and butter again. This is not the time to collect money or collect whatever gesture they are trying to give. We are not after that gesture anymore. We want to get our leader, a true leader who is going to transform this country, this nation to the promising land. And we know the person we are going to vote will not disappoint us. That is the reason why we put it as a must. Everybody must get their PVC.
The president will get all of us. Say he don't discover, say many people they not register to vote in for the next election that is coming next year, will be 2023. Say make everybody go register, because if they not close shop, nobody go register. That's why I say make them close shop, so that people will never register before this time, so that they can register. You discover say this election wey dey come, so e dey important very well, because if government good, money go come. The money wey you think say you wan lose that day wey you close shop go register, if you get better government, we will get better thing, better amenities go come. So we not reason like that, because that registration na him we think say e better pass make we go do that day, because na our right to vote, to determine the person wey we want make e rule us. The feedback wey we get at the end of the day be say majority of them they fit register, they register that day, and some of them too they not still fit register, because the machine wey they put for that place e no fit cover everybody. When darkness come, na they can't comot. So we go see beg INEC make them not only to extend the registration. This one supposed to be everyday work. Make them open offices for each local government. It go be when they wake up in the morning, any person wey don reach 18, because people they reach 18 years every day by day. Every day by day, you discover say person they reach 18 years. So any person wey don reach 18 years for that particular day supposed to waka go INEC office wey dey in local government, so that it go be continuous registration. Not be the one where they will say they register for 1 week, they can't shut down. They will say they don't, when they don't beg them beg again, they will go say they don't extend them for 2 weeks. It's supposed to be every day throughout the whole year, not only when election they come. Now they cause all this panic now wey dey, because they will do it for 2 months, then they'll say they don't close again. They supposed to do it every day. When it go reach like 1 month to election, then they will suspend them. When election finish again, they will still continue. If they do that one, all this hurry fear, say I not go fit register, I not go dey. The truth of the matter be say everybody don't they aware now. Say now we supposed to choose the leader, and the power to choose that leader now that PVC. If you not get PVC, you not fit choose the person wey go govern you. That is why everybody now they are now waking up, and they are now discover that now when you get that one, now it go be your power. Another one be say for now, because election they come, everybody they walk around. Atiku they walk around will be candidate for PDP. Then Tinubu they walk around for APC. Obi they walk around from Labour Party. So from the thing where they talk, each person they talk, they can't see say, okay, now be say I really get power to say now this person I go vote for. Either I go vote for Obi, or I go vote for Atiku, or I go vote for this person. Because if you not vote, you know get mouth take criticize, say the person not work well. Now person where you vote for, if you not do well, now that time you go know say you go fit talk. If you not vote, you not fit talk. So now that PVC now be the power. Now make them come wake up, because of waiting that they hear where each of these people now where one stand as a presidential candidate,
where they come up for their mouth, they don't already they make up their mind, say, okay, wetin this person they talk it not true. So now this person I go vote for. Now they make people they wake up.
Okay, now because of make they go get PVC when they go use take vote, and I make we lock that very day. Most of the people when I send, like my workers when I send, go for about 4 or 5 of them say the number when they give them, if it reach their turn that day. So they know if it do the PVC that day. Say the crowd too much and the machine where they bring the few. Go tell them, say make they improve, make they add more to their machines, make they add more staff and anything where they know say that they lack. Because they get information say federal government already pay for all these things. So you're not supposed to be waiting go hard for them. Most especially the youths where they south this side, now they complain of this INEC issue. Because they don't assure us say our vote they count, because many people know they green come out before they'll say their vote no they count. So they don't assure us say vote they count. By some people they talk say if vote no they count, why politicians they buy the vote say they count. So they assure the youth, now make them come outside, and most of them don't really tire for the kind of thing where they express. They don't get free movement, no security, many things. With Nigeria lack of many things, even at those states, security, that be the first thing. And every other thing too, the lack of all of them. As we day and now, our generator with the use, no light. So many things we not go fit mention. We'll never see one better thing where would they benefit from government. So now just be the thing.
It shut down on the 24th of June 2022 for us to go and get our voters card. It's our legitimate right. Actually, we are in democracy, and what made us to shut down completely is the situation we are today. Many of us are not eating well. We are tired of insecurity. We are not getting what we're supposed to get as a human being. We are just being treated like animals, killing us like animals every day, daily, on a daily basis. So we now made it an obligation for all of us to shut down, as agreed by the union, for everybody to go and get his vote, so that maybe we can, by the special grace of God, we can have a change of leadership in this country. Nigeria is going down every day, going down more and more every day, and we are not happy over it. And again, many people trooped in, but the only problem we had that the INEC themselves has not enough machine to attend to us. You can see as many as 1,000 people on a line, but they can only give one number to 50 or 100. At the end of the day, they will only register about 18 or 20 people. And at the end of that day, and they will not see them, they will move to another station. I'm now begging the government, if they can do, the INEC in particular, whether they can extend it to at least 1 month more, and let them provide enough machine for everybody to get their own card.
As I go for the PVC registration, the crowd was too much. They couldn't attend to everybody. So I don't know how that one will be possible. It will be possible for everybody to get them. But we stayed there from morning, come reach evening, still we were not able to do it. We left our home very early in the morning, that's around 6, 9 we come up for house, reach there. We stayed there till we reach around evening again.
They give you number?
Yes, a collected number. Hey, 156.
You know, nothing reach around at all?
Nothing at all. Machine no plenty. The staff, they were just few. For ring roads here, I will try till I go register. I must vote.
On Friday, the Electrical Dealers Association, in our general meeting, decided that we should lock up and go get our PVC. Yes, we did go. We shut down and we went. If you ask some of my staff, you'll find out that we go, but the crowd there, in all the centers, crowd we did there plenty. In fact, maybe not this 11th hour thing I ain't concerned, but a lot of us no get PVC. Like my staff, only 20% of them got. So the rest people no get. So it'd be like, if I get 6 staff, only 1 9 get or 2. You get what me they talk to. So I think what they need to do now to make them faster. Machines they, but maybe where you see one machine for one center is not rich now. So if one center will get like 5 machine, 4 machine, fine. But one center, one machine, fair enough. Then where it's slow. It be like saying now everybody wants to see road. Make them vote who they want. The case with us is we don't get who one campaign for yet. But with the important thing, make Nigerians and make all the youths go get their PVC.
My own no go well. Where I go for my center for Ewa roadside, I go there by 6 a.m. My number na 71. We come there the wait till by 10 now the people can't come. The INEC people can't come. They come be like say they no fit do again that on Friday. So make all of us they going good, but who no fit going good, make it come back again on Monday. And me they work and I no fit go back again for that place. But that on Friday where I go, it not work for me. Because for now say I go by 6, I still be number 71. They don't do anybody at all. They never even bring check come. They just come, call and make announcements, come out back.
We shut down on Friday last week because of the situation of governance in Nigeria. Many people don't have voters card. So we said that people should go and get their PVC. That is voters card. In order when the time of vote reach, that people will go and vote because it's their right to vote. That is why we shut down, to make sure that every individual, whether you be oga or you no be oga, whether you be sales girl or sales boy, you are a worker, go and get your PVC. So that day of voting, you will go there and vote. On that day, where as things happened, because some places, some areas, some centers, many people went there. There was crowd everywhere. So many people succeed, many did not succeed. To tell you the truth, because I have seen some boys that the oga that have already got don't get their own, but their boys or girls never get. So they went there after all much waste of time. From morning 9 o'clock till 4, 5 o'clock, they didn't get. And they are still looking for a center to go and register. According to people's talk and all those things, they said that the machines to do the voters card is not many. It's only few machines. That if there are many machines and many centers, at least that should be 1 week or 2 weeks. Many people will go to get their PVC. Many people are passing through a lot of things. So they want to change Nigerian governance, to change from where they are now to a good governance. So that is why many, especially the youth, have waken up. Whether this is not about party, this is not about a tribe, this is not about union or any other thing. It's about good governance. That is what people need.
We shut down that day because we need voter cards, everybody to be registered, everybody to carry along. Because 2023 is not going to be as usual. And everybody turn up. The feedback we get that very day, many people that shut their store down, many electrical, some of our members, some even have up to 20 workers, some 70, but they sacrificed that day. We lost money because that day. We don't even look the area. They decide we lose money if we shut down. Some lost millions, but we are not interested of that money. But what we are interested, how to get the voter card. And the feedback that come back to us is that day where we shut down, INEC couldn't provide the material. Many people frustrated. No, some units, they will tell you, say, no paper. Many people come back with annoyance. Now, they collected number, but they couldn't register them. Even till now, I don't know if INEC can even make the provision for electrical union to carry along so that we can register, because our member that day they don't feel register till now, and nobody is happy for that. If you can reach to INEC to create avenue, electrical member can register, fix a day that we can register. But the problem, how can we register? Because when you go some area, you see line up. That is where we are begging INEC if they can do it for us, because we shut down because of this registration. It never happened before.
We went to do voters card for the upcoming election. So that is the reason why we closed on Friday. Then after that, we went there. Some do, some are unable to get their own, while some could not do because of too much of crowd in the place. So that is the reason why we did not open on that last week Friday. I have done my own PVC now, so I will vote by next election. Did my PVC, I think, between 2010 to 2012. So, and I sent my boys to go and do their own to enable them to vote for upcoming election. When they went, they came back and told me that before they could reach there, their number was 77 and 78 and 79, 3 of them. So along the line, they can't still transfer them, say they should from Accra Market for Adowawa, say they should come back on Monday at Urora Primary School to come and complete the voters card. They went, they say crowd is too much, that they even said they don't even feel attend to them that very day. So I will not say, okay, by God's grace, let me get information, and they will go and do the voters card for any within this place instead of that others area that side. Because of the machine, we don't have enough of machine. That's why the thing is affecting now all of us where. And people are complaining. If they say they don't give us, we have enough of machine, I think everybody don't supposed to do it and get their own, because every good citizen of Nigeria have right to vote.
Last week Saturday, when I went to get my PVC, it wasn't funny at all. Like, Jesus, see crowd and just one machine. For that full crowd, now just one machine they work in, and the heat for that place ain't too much. So the thing if you never reach my house, they just give me number for nothing, number 86. But form to collect form self no problem. So me never sure say that kind problem I fit go face am again. True, I swear. I no fit go again. At Igbesanwaye, I got there by 6 o'clock. I left there by 6:30 p.m. It be like the devil they look face, because some they go say now pregnant women that they attend to. Even people when they even get belle, that they give them. Where we you can't even be like the thing can't get SCB. I swear I have verse come out. Now verse I take come out because the thing you know you're easy at all.
My people, you don't see how the matter they go. This is CTMC TV News, and right now we don't do talk with the chairman for Electrical Dealers Association. We do talk with the vice chairman and other members for the association. And we can discover say on Friday now PVC registration now make them no open shops. And they can call on INEC and call on government, make them sharply summer them their PVC, make they give them ogbonge materials and staff to make sure say they free register PVC so that they go vote for 2023 election. My name is Naija, and this is TMC TV.